Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. In order to do this, we need to open the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down and find apps, and then go over here. Over here we will find the list of apps that we have installed on our tablet. Of course, we want to choose the app that we want to clear. So for instance, if you want to clear app cache, the Google app cache, then of course you want to go to Google. And now over here we need to find storage, go to storage, and at the bottom you will find clear cache. If you select it, if you press this button, then you will immediately clear cache files over here. In addition to that, you can see the space that the cache is using, and you can also clear data. Now of course this is not cache, this is the data, your personal data that you may save in the app. So if you want to, you can of course remove that, you can clear that, but you will need to pretty much, for instance, log into the app again in some cases. And that's pretty much it. This is how we can clear app cache data. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!